Hello friends, index and match function. If I give product ID, let us use index and match function. Array, freeze it, row number 1231. In this table, in which row 1231 occurs, I have to find out. How to find out? I will use match for that. Do you know how to use match function? Let me explain. Equal to lookup value. If I give this lookup value, lookup array, freeze it, match type is 0. I am getting 1 in this array. In which position 1 2 3 1 is there? In one position. If I give 1 2 3 2, it should get 2. In this array, 2, second number 1 2. Match function, let us use it. Array is this one, because data is, I have to get data from this table. Product ID is given here, remaining salesman product zone sales data is in this table. Freeze it, row number, I will use match for this. Lookup value is this one. I have to drag it down, so this formula to get product zone sales, the row number should change, so it is fine. Row number will change, column number we are not changing column. Lookup array is this one. Freeze it. Exact match, approximate. This is exact match. Column, I will use match. Lookup value is this. I have to get column. Salesman is in which column? I have to get. Sorry. Salesman. I have to drag it down. The row should change. No need to freeze it. Lookup array is this one. Freeze it. Exact match. One, two, three to Iron Man. I have to drag it to get, or there is problem. 82 to 11. match I3. Okay, I'm dragging the formula, so I3 should be freezed. Now let us see. Iron Man 1232, Tiger Bomb, West City 68 sales. If I change it to 1240 Netman, Tiger Bomb, North City 48 sales. Thank you friends.